first things first, it wouldn't be right if I didn't show off my favorite smoothie recipe. So all I'm gonna do is put the ingredients in here. I'm going to use orange juice as the base. Then I'm going to add in some blueberries. A nice banana. And then I'm gonna add some pineapple. Nice. Now I'm just gonna grab some ice. And now I'm just gonna add some ice. I'm gonna grab the lid. Now you're gonna make sure this is locked in so it doesn't come out while you're going. All you need to do is insert it and make sure you twist it a little bit so that it's locked in place. Now I'm just gonna lift the sound guard. As you can hear, it beeps so that it is in there. Just gonna press the power button, smoothie mode, and then the start button. As you can hear, it's so much quieter than a traditional blender. The one that I use is probably 2 to 3 times more loud than this is. And now it is all ready to drink. Now all you have to do is unlock the lid like this. Take off this lid. And then just enjoy your drink. Then just throw this in the dishwasher and you are ready to go.